day. Oh, yeah, I forgot the intro. Alright, it's mmayer2250 and I'm gonna be trying to hunt these birds. Gotta be very quiet to get close to these birds. So here we go. Let's see if I can get close now. Over there now. Alright, let's see if we can get to it. Ah, darn, the birds flew away. Oh, wasn't being sneaky, you know. I was only going like that. So, yeah. Maybe I can get closer to him. Maybe not. And I think that's the end. Yeah, so leave any suggestions for what I could do outside. Oh yeah, I want to show you something. I'm going to show you a birdhouse I made. There it is. It's up there. I made it like when I was in first grade, maybe. And I'm in fourth grade now. I'm 10. I just turned 10 last month in March. So now it's April, so almost the end of April. So there it is. That's what it looks like. Birds don't come into it because I put a giant snake on the front. And my drawing was very bad then. So they probably don't want to go into it. I really don't know if there's birds in there. I don't think there is. Yeah. So leave any suggestions. Just any. I don't care what it is. It just has to be a suggestion. And also I told you to rate my swing thing. Yeah, so enjoy the swing thing. Yeah, bye.